tell Papa. Say that door won't open, Papa.
Is it broke?
Is it broke? Broke. Is it broke?
Oh no! Uh-oh.
You better get in the car, honey. It's getting chilly.
Uh-oh. I promise I'll try to fix that before you come back. Okay?
Say, you fix it, Papa. Uh-oh. Papa will fix it when you come back, okay?
You ready to get in your car seat?
Better go see Dada. Okay?
Hey, baby claws. You ready to go?
Uh-oh. Terribly upset that door holder. Uh-oh.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Come here and let me get you in your car seat so you can go see Daddy.
Come on, Bubba. Let's go home.
Come here and let Pop get you in the car seat so you can go home and see Daddy.
Owie, come on.
Oh, no. You and Pops can work on it tomorrow. Uh-oh. You and Papa can work on it tomorrow, okay? You come see me, Mom, and Papa tomorrow.